by accident. I'm already a business owner. I own a marketing and promotional marketing company, and I'm pretty busy, and Amy works full-time, so we were absolutely not looking for any business, let alone a shaved ice business. I don't think I've had any shaved ice in my life before Kona, to be real honest. And I came across an article on MSN about this franchise called Kona Ice. I read it and caught my interest to the point where I kept doing more research. And next thing you know, it was like 5 weeks later, we were in Kentucky buying an ice truck. So it just all kind of came about. And we work with everyone and anyone. As far as the fundraising aspect of things, we specifically seek out the school districts and nonprofit entities, churches, youth groups, Bible camps, anything that would be a nonprofit where we can, at the end of the event, give back a percentage of our sales, which is typically 20%. That's why we specifically like to work with the school districts on that. So they have an event, they invite us out, people purchase the various cups, and at the end of that event we count up our monies and give 20% of that amount back to that school or that entity.
Okay, yeah, we're super excited. We get to do Kids Fest tomorrow, and then in September we're doing the Pine Bridge Festival, which is fun because that will be, we're supporting a special needs fund for them, and they give back to the St. Luke's Health Foundation for special needs kids that can get money for that. And then we are also going to be at Buell High School on September 2nd and October 6th. And we will be at Kimberly Elementary on September 9th.